Hey guys, today I'll be talking about Sniffles, and Sniffles is a weird animal, unknown animal. I'm going to be calling it an aardvark because I actually don't know. What kind of animal Sniffles is. Like all my videos, I'm going to keep this picture of Sniffles because I thought it would be kind of good. I don't know why, but I just kind of feel like no one really cares about the other pictures, so I'm going to keep this picture of Sniffles. And yeah, he's a pretty interesting character, I guess. He doesn't really, he likes science. He really does like science, and he does some good thing. Well, he's an interesting character. He likes science, and most of his adventures are actually really good, and he appears in more episodes than Flappy and other characters. It doesn't mean that he appeared in most episodes. The character that appeared in most episodes is my least favorite character, Lumpy, which I already did a review. But with this character, he is a different character. He is from this. He's of course a Happy Tree Friends character, and he's a good. I'm gonna keep saying the same thing all over and over again. Am I? He's a good character. And don't really know what to explain. So I guess he's a pretty good character because he likes science, and I kind of like science as well. And oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh yeah. His design is actually kind of cute because I didn't really talk about anyone's designs. He's a good character, his design is cute, his adventures are actually kind of awesome, and other things. And of course he looks cute. This is Happy Tree Friends. All the characters have to look cute. And yeah, I guess he's an okay character. Anyways, bye guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.